Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Megha. I'm an IT engineer and painting is my hobby. So let's start with the technique which we have learned in the 4-day Fevical TTT session. This is the tie and dye method which we have used. This is the rose technique, spiral technique. This is the Lehariya one. I love Lehariya. This is the round technique. Okay. This is the bandhani. This is the Dabo print which we have did using the this stencils I have used for making the Dabo. ये हमने फोम शीट पे बनाए हैं, फोम शीट से बनाए हैं सॉरी. सो ये भी एक और मैंने बनाया है डाबो पेंटिंग का. दिस इज़ द फैन फोल्ड टेक्निक, समोसा टेक्निक, यू कैन सी. ओके, now next is weight on weight. I have used Varli painting for making this Lord Krishna, cow, peacock, Gopiya dancing down, you can see. So this is the Varli painting. I also made some Varli designs on my hand, you can see. It's here and here. So this is the Madhubani. I have used Kajni, Bharni, Putni method in this, and this is the Mithila art, we can also call it, which Sita ji made when she was there. So this is the Madhubani painting. This is the Shibori painting. I love this one. I made a chunni using this. We have made this color using ultramarine blue and black acrylic, Fevical acrylic color. And these are the fabric color which we have used on this technique. And then this is the blue pottery. We have used here clay, molded clay, and then glass color, 3D liner, acrylic color, and mold post to seal the work. So this is the my stitches which we have made using the matte 3D liner. So we have used fishbone technique, Sindhi taka, French knot, and running stitch, and some mirror using fabric glue as stick on it. So this is the go and applique work. So this is the work. We have used the fabric glue, 3D liner, and glitter liner as well I have used here for enhancing my work. So this is the dot mandala tree I have made. I also made a bottle which I have gifted to my sister-in-law, which was handy because at the time of Rakhi. So this is the OHP sheet on which I have used the glass color and Fevicol to stick it and make a toran. So I will still enhance it more by adding the bead, but I'm not getting the bead I'm looking exactly for it. So this is the toran, you can see design. I made it for my daughter. I hope she will love this. This is the fluid art. I made it as a tea coaster on plastic ढक्कन because कांच का bottle टूट गया था. This is the again fluid art I have made on canvas. So these is again the fluid art. We have used the acrylic color and then seal it using the mold poach to give a shining and the seal both. I have also made two more frame of this fluid art, which I already gifted to my sister-in-law. This is the parsley platter I am making. It's still incomplete. So this is the sellotape technique. I have used dabbing technique on this bottle and made this bottle. 3D liner technique. 3D liner I have used to make this bottle, and Fevicol to stick the here. Decoupage bottle, molded clay I have used to make the lid. This is the wood dust I have used to stick, and on this I have made stick the this apna Ganesh ji. This is the tissue paper, newspaper. First I have stick, then tissue paper using the mold poach, and then I have used the round brush stroke technique on this. I have tried round brush technique on the paper. You can see this. Oh, it's here. Sorry. So this is the stencil which I have shown you, I guess. So I have use this on paper. It was a trial one. So now next, color wheel. Red, yellow, blue are the primary color. Orange, green, purple are the secondary color. We can also create a tertiary color using the secondary color. You can see here the color wheel. Okay. So now African mural art. This is the African mural art. We have used the molded clay for making it, and then we have used neon colors over here specifically, and neon liners we have used, and then we seal it using the mold coach. This is the Lipan art. We have used the made it on canvas, use the mirror and acrylic colors. Okay, now last but not least, I have also made the clay jewelry. The clay jewelry, I have made it for my western outfit. You can see. And for my Indian outfit, I have made this jewelry of star shape. And I also made one more pendant. I'm looking for something in red, so I made everything in red. Stitchless bag. So this is, I have used 3 technique. This is the dabu print I have used. This is the stencil. This is the dabbing technique, and I used sellotape and fabric glue for making the stitchless bag. So I hope you will love this bag. Okay. So from back side I kept it plain, and from here I made it. So on my chunni I use a shibori technique, ultramarine blue plus black, and I don't know, are you guys able to see this technique or not? This is a shibori print I have used for making on my chunni, white chunni, and this is, I am going to make a matching pillow cover to my sofa. So it's still work is going on this. I will stick it first using the fabric glue, and then I'll use some design, maybe Madhubani or stroke painting. I'm not sure what I'm going to use on this. So this is the tie and dye method I have used, final one. This is the samosa technique which I have used on my hubby shirt. Hopefully he will wear this shirt. So we have used the fabric fabric color for making this tie and dye, and I guess I'm done. So that's all my work I have worked. Okay, thank you Vehicle Pedialyte for giving us an opportunity to learn and grow ourselves in this field. Thank you very much to Aparna and then Yateen and Athira ma'am. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.